In this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid the Adobe cancellation fee. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you're thinking about cancelling your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription but want to avoid paying a cancellation fee, it helps to know the right timing and steps. So Adobe usually charges a fee if you cancel too early, but with some planning and a few tips, you can avoid the unnecessary charges. So what we need to do is simply just wait until your annual contract ends. So Adobe charges fees if you cancel before your yearly plan completes. So to avoid fees, cancel only after your initial 12-month term is over. Now, if you want flexibility, you could switch from an annual to a month-to-month plan once your contract ends, then cancel during a monthly cycle without fees. If you want to cancel within the free trial period, so no fees apply if you cancel during Adobe's free trial, so take advantage of that window if you're unsure. Now, sometimes Adobe may waive cancellation fees if you have a really good reason, so it's worth reaching out and asking politely. Now, if you go ahead and cancel right after renewal, so if you miss the deadline, cancel immediately after your subscription renews, you might get a partial refund or avoid some fees as well. And the last thing here, we can consider downgrading instead of cancelling. So if you don't want to lose access entirely, see if you can downgrade to a cheaper plan to keep costs down without fees.